Hey, it's Candice Quinn, and today I want to talk to you about something that law school definitely does not talk about, and that's how to work well and utilize your legal staff effectively. Whether you're a brand new associate or you're a mid level, you can always work better with your staff. Here's the thing, the staff can make or break you as an attorney. They can make you look like a rock star, or they can quietly let you fail. What side do you want to be on? Most attorneys mess this up because they treat it like a hierarchy instead of the team that it is. So here's 5 tips to work with staff that will actually help you level up your career. Number 1, respect their expertise. Your paralegal has probably been doing this longer than you have. Your legal assistant knows how to file with the local court better than you ever will. Your secretary, she knows exactly which judge's clerk to call to get you that extension. Stop acting like your law degree makes you the expert in everything, because it just doesn't. When someone on your team gives you advice, take it. They know more about the process, the procedure, and how to get things done than you do. They're not challenging your authority. They're helping you not look like a complete idiot. I had to learn this the hard way as a baby attorney. I ignored my paralegal's advice about how a particular judge wanted a motion formatted. Guess whose motion got rejected? It's mine. Mine did. Guess who had to redo it on a tight timeline? Also me. Your staff has institutional knowledge that you just don't have, and that's exactly why they're there. So rely on them and use that knowledge. Tip number 2, communicate clearly and early. Don't dump a project on your paralegal at 4:45 p.m. on a Friday. That's not cool. You also don't want to give vague instructions and then get frustrated when the work product isn't what you wanted. And for the love of everything, don't change your mind 17 times and not give any reason why. Give clear instructions, include deadlines, and explain the context. When your paralegal knows why it matters, who it's for, and what the end goal is, they are going to do a better job on it than if you don't give them any of the context. If something's urgent, say that up front, but also try to avoid those 5-alarm fire drills. If it genuinely needs to be prioritized, that's okay to prioritize it. But also, don't hand it to them and then walk out the door. Not cool. And remember, your staff can't read your mind, and they shouldn't have to. They're not paid to do that. If you can't communicate it clearly to them, then you can expect that they don't understand what you mean. Tip number 3, say thank you. I shouldn't have to say this, but from what I've seen in some environments, I do actually have to say this. Most attorneys are terrible at saying thank you. I don't know why. But your staff is not a piece of office equipment. They're a live human being that is trying to keep you from being an idiot. What they do directly impacts your success. So if they stay late to help you, say thank you. If they catch an error that would have been really embarrassing for you, tell them that and say thank you. If your assistant handles that difficult client that would have made you pull your hair out, give them a round of applause and say thank you. You don't have to write them a novel either. Just a quick thank you email, thank you while you're standing at their desk, or even just a cup of coffee in the morning from Starbucks can be all they need to feel valued and appreciated in their role. Number 4, don't blame them for your mistakes. Again, this shouldn't have to be said, but if you made a mistake, never blame your staff for the mistake. If you gave bad instructions and that's why it came back wrong, acknowledge that. Be like, hey, I gave you the wrong instructions, or I don't think I was very clear there. Let's try this again. And remember, if you forgot to tell your assistant something and a deadline got missed, well, that's on you. And also remember, even if you told them about the deadline, if the deadline got missed, it's still on you. You're the attorney of record. Own your mistakes. I've seen too many attorneys throw their staff under the bus, and it doesn't get them anything. It just makes them look like an asshole. It destroys trust, and no staff is going to want to work for you when you treat them like that. And more to the point, they're not going to go above and beyond for you because they think you're just going to throw them under the bus again. Admit the mistake, fix it, move on. But don't play the blame game. It's not cool. And I would say go even one step farther. If they make a mistake, to the public view of the firm, you own that mistake and you address their mistake with them privately. Number 5, protect their time. Don't throw them some task at 4:45 on a Friday. At least wait till Monday morning so they can have the weekend to relax and not be stressed out. And if you're willing to work late at night, don't expect them to be willing to work late at night. Your schedule and level does not equal their schedule and level. Just because you're stressed doesn't mean you need to create constant chaos for them either. They can work in a stress-free environment while you live in chaos with piles all over the place. Respect their boundaries. If they've made it clear they're not answering emails after 5, don't expect answers to emails after 5. And for the love of everything, if they're on vacation, just let them be on vacation. Like, don't send them emails. This isn't about being soft. It's about being sustainable. No one wants to work in a burned out environment. If they get burned out, they're going to leave. And if they leave, you're going to have to find someone new and train that person. And while you're doing all of that, you're doing all of their work too. If you protect their time, they're going to protect yours. I guarantee it. Look, working with staff isn't complicated, but it does require you to see them as actual human beings and not think you're above them. Respect their expertise, communicate clearly, say thank you, don't blame them for your mistakes, and protect their time. When you do those 5 things consistently, you will build a team that wants to work for you and will go to bat for you. If you're struggling with your career in general and you just need some career advice, go ahead and schedule a free call with me. The link is in the pinned comment and the description below. Bye for now, hackers.